Introduction to Focus Booster.
Booster is a productivity app that combines the Pomodoro technique with powerful analytics. By timing your work sessions and tracking your activities, it helps you understand and improve your focus. Whether you want to beat procrastination or simply manage your tasks more effectively, Focus Booster is designed to give you clear insights into how you spend your time.
Getting started with Pomodoro sessions.
To begin, launch Focus Booster and set up your first Pomodoro session. The app uses a timer, typically 25 minutes of focused work, followed by a short break. Each session is logged automatically. You can customize session lengths or add notes to help you remember what you worked on, making your tracking more personalized.
Exploring the analytics dashboard.
After logging sessions, dive into Focus Booster's analytics dashboard. Here, you'll find charts and summaries showing how much time you've spent on each task or client. You can review your daily, weekly, or monthly productivity trends. These visual reports make it easy to spot patterns in your concentration and identify areas for improvement.
Using data to improve your focus.
With clear analytics, Focus Booster lets you make data-driven decisions. Notice when your focus drops or which distractions cost you time. Use these insights to refine your workflow, adjust work hours, or schedule breaks when your energy dips. Over time, you'll build a more effective routine tailored to your habits.
Tips for maximizing Focus Booster.
For best results, consistently log your sessions and review your analytics regularly. Set realistic goals and celebrate improvements in your concentration. Combine Focus Booster with good time management practices and use your data to adjust as needed. By leveraging both the Pomodoro method and analytics, you can achieve lasting focus and productivity gains.